Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how you can actually go and remove black bars in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Wondershare Filmora application on Google Chrome. And when you do that, you guys, you just need to go and log into your profile, but that is not necessary. Of course, now let's see what we have in the left side of the screen. We have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and the Help option. And we also have the Media, Audio, Titles, Transition, Effects, Elements, and Split Screen option. The Export option is gray because we can't use it at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove black bars in Filmora. So it's pretty easy guys. First of all, we're going to go and put a video in Filmora. For the sake of this video, I'll be putting a random sample video. And now when you do that, you just need to go and click on it and drag it down here to put it in. So now what you need to do guys, it's pretty simple. So in Filmora, you can remove the black bar by cropping the video to fit. So basically that's what you can do. You can go and crop the video. If you choose the crop to fit option in Filmora, every time you drag and drop the clip from the media library to the timeline, you'll find the clip will be cropped automatically and there is no black bar. So we can go and crop it, and that's basically the whole magic what you need to do. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow the channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool and it will mean a ton to our whole group. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoy it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. And until then, guys, bye guys.